Get ready, language model enthusiasts. OpenAI is cooking up something special, and the rumor mill is buzzing about the potential launch of GPT-4. In this video, we will delve into the inner workings of OpenAI's GPT-4, exploring its capabilities and limitations, and looking at some of the most interesting applications it has been put to use for. If you're interested in the future of artificial intelligence, or just curious about the technology behind the scenes, this video is a must-watch. Before we dive into the technical details, let's take a moment to understand what GPT-4 is and why it's so groundbreaking. ChatGPT is a revolutionary natural language processing, or NLP, language model developed by OpenAI. It is a variant of OpenAI's larger Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT, series of language models. GPT is specifically designed for conversational AI and uses the Transformer architecture to process and generate human-like text. The technology behind GPT is based on machine learning algorithms that have been trained on vast amounts of text data to generate coherent and human-like responses. The Transformer architecture is a deep neural network that uses self-attention mechanisms to access the input and generate an output. This allows GPT to analyze and generate text in a way that mimics human thought processes in language use. ChatGPT's training process fine-tunes the model to perform specific tasks, such as answering questions, summarizing text, generating creative writing, and much more. This makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of industries, including customer service, journalism, marketing, and more. With its ability to process and generate text at scale, GPT is an exciting development in the field of NLP and AI. ChatGPT is designed to interact and communicate with users, allowing it to respond to requests and generate natural language text based on the input provided. This makes it well suited for use in chatbot applications or other conversational AI systems. To access ChatGPT, OpenAI has created a dedicated website and user interface that makes it easy to interact with the AI model. The model is still in its feedback stage and continues to evolve and improve over time. OpenAI is set to integrate GPT-4 into Microsoft's offerings in just a few weeks. This multi-billion-dollar investment by Microsoft will see GPT-4 integrated into their consumer and enterprise products, accessible through the Azure cloud. There were rumors of Microsoft looking to enhance their search engine Bing with ChatGPT, but it looks like the star of the show will actually be the highly anticipated GPT-4. Expect more human-like and detailed responses, as the new model promises to be quicker than ChatGPT. GPT-4 is expected to take the throne from its predecessor, GPT-3, and be the next big thing in the world of language AI. Some speculate that the model may have a self-learning feature, allowing it to improve on its own. It's also rumored to have a multimodal ability, operating across multiple mediums like text, image, and sound. Right now, Twitter is ablaze with speculation about the model's capabilities, with one user claiming it will have 100 trillion parameters. But Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, denies all the rumors, calling them, quote, ridiculous. He further said that people will be disappointed if they keep on guessing like that. So let's have a look at the different features of GPT-4. Starting with the size, Altman says GPT-4 won't be much larger than its predecessor, GPT-3, boasting parameters around 175 billion to 280 billion, similar to DeepMind's language model, Gopher. However, bigger isn't always better. OpenAI is putting its focus on optimizing smaller models to deliver better performance. When it comes to parameters, large models often suffer from under-optimization. OpenAI and Microsoft have found a solution by discovering a new parameterization that allows for optimizing larger models at a fraction of the cost. As for computing, OpenAI plans to increase training tokens by 5 trillion, taking 10 to 20 times flops to reach minimum loss. But GPT-4 won't be relying on sparse models. Instead, OpenAI is putting its emphasis on AI alignment, ensuring the language model follows our intentions and aligns with our values. They've already taken the first step by training InstructGPT, a GPT-3 model that was deemed better than its predecessor by human judges. And that's not all. GPT is also revolutionizing language translation, making it possible to instantly translate any text into any language. Plus, with its ability to identify language, it can be used to keep the internet a safer place by identifying and flagging toxic content. GPT is a versatile AI technology that can be applied to a variety of applications. And it's not just limited to generating text, but also improving customer service, assisting in language translation, identifying toxic content, creating virtual assistants, and even developing apps. Imagine a world where you can get instant, accurate answers to any questions you have, or where you can summarize long and complicated documents with ease. That's exactly what GPT can do for you. Its capacity to understand speech and generate fluent, human-like text makes it a game changer in the field of content creation. OpenAI has upgraded ChatGPT for better math and factual skills, which means that the toughest problems related to maths and data can be solved in no time. It has also developed an AI-generated text classifier. While the classifier can differentiate between AI-generated and human-written text, it's not fully reliable. In testing, it correctly classified 26% of ChatGPT text as AI-generated, but misclassified 9% of human text. The larger the language model, the harder it becomes to detect patterns in its generated text, which may make it more difficult for the classifier to identify. On top of all that, GPT is also powering the future of conversational AI. With GPT-powered chatbots, you can get the help you need from a virtual assistant, regardless of your industry. Whether it's in healthcare, finance, or anywhere else, a conversational AI powered by GPT can provide you with valuable insights and recommendations. This feature of GPT can be a real game changer, as it could bring revolutions to different industries. And just wait till you see what GPT can do for app creation. With its ability to generate code based on a description of what you want to achieve, GPT-like AI models have the potential to make app development easier and faster than ever before. GPT-4's advanced tech generation abilities make it a powerful tool in the field of scientific research. By leveraging these abilities, researchers can generate new hypotheses, test theories, and analyze large amounts of data in much less time than it would to do so manually. The ability of GPT-4 to process and understand vast amounts of information quickly and accurately means that researchers can explore new possibilities and test theories much more efficiently. GPT-4 can be trained on scientific papers and data, allowing it to generate summaries of complex findings or even new hypotheses based on the information it has been trained on. This not only saves researchers time, but it also opens up new avenues for discovery by providing new perspectives and insights. GPT-4's ability to analyze data and identify patterns and correlations also make it a valuable tool for data analysis, allowing researchers to quickly sift through large amounts of information to identify key insights. OpenAI is also planning to launch a ChatGPT app for smartphones, signaling its entry into the mobile market. They're even working on a new feature called Dolly that could enable AI-generated videos. While the exact form it will take is still unknown, it could either be a generative video model to rival Google Images or an AI video editor. Now, let's take a look at the expected training cost of GPT-4. This time around, it's expected to cost around $6 million, which is significantly lower compared to its predecessor GPT-3, which was priced at around $12 million per training run. How did OpenAI achieve this reduction in cost? Well, there are a few possibilities. Firstly, OpenAI may have improved the optimization at the software level, allowing them to train the model more efficiently. Secondly, GPT-4 might be taking the advantage of faster chips or hardware, reducing the computer power required for training the model. Lastly, OpenAI might have partnered with Cerberus to train their model on the latest supercomputer, avoiding the use of optimization heuristics, which can affect performance. GPT-4 is one of the most remarkable achievements in AI, but with great power comes great responsibility. With the rapid achievements in AI technology, it's natural to have concerns and reservations about its implications. One of the biggest fears is unemployment. People worry that AI systems will be able to perform tasks more efficiently than humans, leading to widespread job loss. It's a valid concern, but it's also important to remember that AI has the potential to create new jobs and industries, as well as enhance current ones. With ChatGPT-4's vast data processing capabilities comes a risk of personal information being misused or even exposed. It's crucial to implement robust measures to secure your privacy and protect sensitive data. GPT-4 is only unbiased as the data it's trained on, which unfortunately can perpetrate existing societal biases. We must work towards reducing bias in AI systems to ensure their fair and effective use. There's also the fear of singularity. This is a hypothetical future event in which AI surpasses human intelligence and potentially threatens humanity, It's a far-reaching concern, but it's also important to keep in mind that AI is a tool, and it's up to us as a society to determine how it's used. It is necessary to establish clear guidelines for the use of AI-generated content, including the actions taken as a result. Only then can we ensure GPT-4 is used ethically and responsibly. It's important to note that OpenAI is being cautious with the release of GPT-4, as the safety and ethical implications of AI are of utmost concern. So, we may have to wait a bit longer to see what GPT-4 has in store for us, but it will be worth the wait. OpenAI's GPT-4 is a groundbreaking language model capable of generating human-like text across a wide range of topics and genres. With its vast array of applications, from creative writing to scientific research, GPT-4 has the potential to change the world of artificial intelligence. So, as you see, the applications of GPT-4 are many and varied, and the potential for what it can achieve is almost limitless. What are your thoughts on this revolutionary technology? Tell us in the comments below. Click the next video for more on artificial intelligence.
Tesla fans, would you rather be watching videos